ever wonder why your Dyson V11 sounds like a tiny jet taking off, but picks up absolutely zero dirt? It's making so much noise, but no action. It's not just being lazy. What's actually happening under the hood? While most people blame a dirty filter, the real villain is often a faulty motor. Think of it like your vacuum's heart. If it skips a beat, the whole system loses its pulse. Ignoring that weird stuttering sound? Bad move. A failing motor forces your battery to overwork, leading to a total hardware meltdown. Basically, your high-tech cleaning machine is one vroom away from becoming a very expensive wall decoration. Now, we know what you're thinking.
I can fix this. I saw a 2-minute hack on social media.
And hey, we love a good DIY. You can try washing the filter, make sure it's dry for 24 hours. But here's the catch. If you misdiagnose the motor as a battery issue and try to force the motor casing open without the right tools, you risk snapping the delicate plastic clips, or worse, short-circuiting the main logic board. One wrong move and your vacuum becomes a very expensive paperweight. Why stress yourself out when you can let the experts handle the heavy lifting? This is where RoboCare steps in. We don't just fix the motor, we perform a full forensic cleaning of the internal system. Now look at that. After a RoboCare service, this Dyson V11 went from barely breathing to better than day one. Smooth power, consistent airflow, and zero frustration. Pure, legendary suction power. Don't let your Dyson die a slow death. Skip the headache, avoid the misdiagnosis, and give your Dyson the expert care it deserves. Bring your Dyson to RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.